If you need to have focused, private conversations with specific people on your team, create a private channel. In Teams, select More Options, the 3 dots, next to a team, then Add Channel. Type a name and description. Under Privacy, select the drop-down and choose Private, specific teammates have access. Then select Create. Type in names to invite people, including guests. Note that people must already be members or guests of the team to be added to a private channel. When finished, select Add. Change anyone's role if needed. Then select Done. People you've added will know it's a private channel because a lock appears next to the name. And they can start using it right away. Need to meet with just this set of people? Select Meet to connect with them. Open the pane to add new members, see the current members, and add view channel updates. Files in a private channel are viewable and accessible only to the channel members. These files live in a separate SharePoint site, away from the standard channels in the team.